beautiful people. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing perfectly fine. If this is your first time seeing my face, hi, my name is Etiosa. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll be happy and be glad if you can hit the subscribe button down below. And if you do, please do not forget to turn on your notification button so you will be notified whenever I'll be dropping a new video. So guys, in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make a very good stretch mark cream. This stretch mark cream is very good and very effective. Okay, and also I'll be putting a number on the screen where you guys can get all these ingredients. Okay, they can deliver. Just chat them up and they will deliver to you. And also I'll be putting my number on the screen just in case any of you want to talk to me. And guys, this stretch mark cream is very good. Okay, and you have to be very patient when using this stretch mark cream. You have to be patient and be consistent at the same time. But guys, if you want to get a very good and faster result, it will be better to use a very good sugar and coffee scrub on your stretch mark. Okay, that make it more effective. All right, it make your cream work faster. And the sugar scrub is very good. I have I think a few videos about how to make a sugar scrub or stretch mark scrub on my YouTube channel. You can go check it out, so you can also make your own sugar scrub alongside with the stretch mark cream. So without further ado, I don't want to talk too much about talking about this video or anything, so let's quickly get right. So guys, first thing first, we'll be needing shea butter. Okay, shea butter is very important when making your stretch mark cream. It helps raise the appearance of stretch mark, and also is good for moisturizing. So it's going to moisturize the area where you have stretch mark and also help. I have seen a lot of people using only shea butter alone as their stretch mark cream, and it really work for them. So try your best to get a very pure organic shea butter. And then we have our shea butter here, and then we have this cream. It's called Baba the Kanako. This is very good. It's a very good stretch mark cream. Okay, very nice for stretch mark. And it's good for scars as well, so it's good for wrinkles. This is going to help activate our stretch mark cream. And then we have this omega A stretch mark cream with shea butter, aloe vera and vitamin E. Okay, we're going to be adding this to it. Then we have this Kanako Belle Eclat Kanako serum. This is also good for stretch mark, it's good for green vein, and it's good for spider vein. It's very nice guys. So we'll be adding this to it. And then we'll be adding in miracle powder. Miracle powder work for a lot of things. It's good for burns, black spots, pimples, black wrinkles, brown patches, stretch marks and aftershave. It's very good. So we'll be needing this in making our stretch mark cream. And then of course we'll be needing vitamin E. Vitamin E oil is very good for stretch mark. Very nice for stretch mark. You cannot make your stretch mark cream without adding in vitamin E oil. It's very important. Okay, so we'll be adding this in. And then we'll be needing our perfect leg serum. This is step 2. Okay, so this is very good for stretch mark and green vein. And then we'll be adding in propylene glycol. So this, for the purpose of adding in propylene glycol, is to make this product penetrate into your skin properly and work perfectly fine. So we'll be needing this, and also we'll be needing tea tree essential oil. So now, first thing first, we'll be adding our shea butter into our mixing bowl. So if you have aloe vera guys, you can as well add aloe vera into this recipe. Okay, aloe vera is also good for stretch mark. So now this is my mixing bowl, my measurement cup and my spoon, which I have already sprayed and cleaned with alcohol. Okay, so first thing first, I'm going to take 120 ml, let's say 120 ml of shea butter. Although I'm supposed to use like a scale to measure this, but you cannot as well use your cup to measure this. Okay, so that's why I added it into my cup. Okay, so I have to make sure that it's full. So this is my my shea butter. Okay, this is my shea butter. So I'm going to add it into my mixing bowl. So I'm going to be using two of this. So I'm going to be using two of this, making it 125 plus 125, that's 250. Okay, making it 250 ml of shea butter. And please, if you know that you're not going to be wearing hand glove, please make sure that your hand is very clean. All right. So next thing I'm going to add in is my omega A stretch mark cream. This is good for repairing stretch mark, anti-aging, anti-wrinkles, spider vein and stretch mark reaction. Okay, this is very nice. It's a very good cream. I have worked with this cream before and it worked perfectly fine. So I'm going to be adding everything. So I think I'll be putting the picture of this cream on the screen so that you guys will be able to screenshot it and get it. Please try your best to get the original one. I don't know if it has fake, but it's important to know where you are buying your products from. So next thing that we are going to add in is baba da kariko. Okay, so we're going to add this into it. So this is how it looks like. So we're going to be using everything as well. This is thick in consistency, thicker than the other one that I just added into the omega A stretch mark cream. So now that I have all my cream in the mixing bowl, I'm going to mix it together. Okay, so I'm going to make sure that I stir this together before adding in the other thing. So when you're done mixing this together, please make sure that you use either your hand mixer or your stick blender to blend this, to make sure that everything mixes properly. You know, we didn't mix the shea butter, so you have to make sure that you stir very well to make sure that everything mixes properly, so you can have a very good creamy paste. So guys, next thing I'm going to add in is my miracle powder. So I've used a little from this before, so I'm going to be adding in the remaining one. I think it's too much, so that's okay. So let's say you're going to be adding a pinch, or let's say dividing your miracle powder into two. Okay, so now next thing I'm going to add in is my vitamin E oil. So this is 15 ml, 15. So let's say I'm going to be adding to making it 30 ml of vitamin E oil. 1, 2. The next thing I'm going to add in is my perfect leg serum. I'm going to be adding in 30 ml as well. I don't know if this is more up to 30 ml, but I'm going to try. Okay, that's 30 ml. The next thing that is going to go in is our Bell Eclairs pineapple. So we're going to add in just 1 tablespoon of this, probably 15 ml of this. Okay, so okay, so next thing that we're going to add in is our propylene glycol. So I'm going to be adding in 15 ml. And then I add in my tea tree essential oil. So I'm just going to be adding in few drop of tea tree essential oil. That's enough. And then I'm going to stir this together. I'm going to make sure that I mix this very well. So you can use this cream twice a day. Okay, you can use it twice a day, and alongside with the stretch mark scrub. And if you can't make this yourself, and you can actually purchase from us. Okay, if you can't make it yourself and you can't get all the ingredients, we do sell. We have stretch mark cream, stretch mark scrub, and stretch mark oil. Okay, so this is the cream, and it's very effective, guys. Very effective. So I'm going to make sure that I mix this properly. Okay, I'm going to make sure that I stir very well. So here we have our stretch mark cream. If you have stick blender or hand blender, you can use to mix this very well. Okay, at the moment there's no light in my house, so I'm just going to try my best to make sure that I stir this very well before packing the products. So guys, I had to go put on my generator too, so I'll be able to use my hand mixer to mix it very well. So there's no way I could have filmed it because the generator is close to my kitchen and the noise is unbearable. So guys, we are done with our stretch mark cream. So this is a very good effective stretch mark cream. Try your best to make a stretch mark scrub by yourself if you can not purchase this from us, or you really want to get rid of your stretch mark and you need a very good effective product. You can as well just make this yourself. So here we are done with our stretch mark cream. This is how it looks like. You can apply this on your stretch mark twice a day, and make sure that you apply a proper amount of this cream into the area where you have stretch mark, and massage it very well. Massage in a circular motion, and after that you can leave it on your skin for the day. So this is how it looks like. Okay, this is how it's going to look like when you use it to rub your stretch mark. As you guys can see, I use a proper amount of this to rub my hand, and it's looking like this. So this is how it's going to look like when you use this to moisturize your stretch mark. Is going to moisturize it, and it's going to work perfectly fine. So after using this, after a month, you're going to see a very beautiful difference. Okay, and you have to keep on using it until you get the desired results that you want. And there's something I need to show you guys. After I finish mixing the stretch mark cream, I added in this cool stretch mark remover cream. Okay, I added in 150 ml of the cream. Okay, so if you don't have this, it's fine, you can just leave it, or you can as well get it. It's not really that expensive. I got mine for 2,000 naira, and it's very good. Okay, so as you can see, it's very big. It's about 400 ml, and I've been using this for a very long time. So I added in 150 ml of this into the stretch mark cream, and here you have your stretch mark cream. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.